Las Vegas, often dubbed Sin City, is a vibrant desert oasis in Nevada, USA. Known for its dazzling lights, world-class entertainment, and a plethora of casinos, it's a global gambling and entertainment hub. The famous Las Vegas Strip is lined with iconic resorts, each a microcosm of luxury and excitement. Beyond the glitz, the city offers a diverse culinary scene, art, and cultural experiences. With a climate of scorching summers and mild winters, it's a year-round destination. Las Vegas is a place where indulgence and extravagance know no bounds. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and content. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned for exciting videos and information. Number 1. The Fountains of Bellagio is a world-famous, iconic water feature located in front of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. This mesmerizing display comprises 1,214 individual jets that shoot water choreographed to music and lights. The fountains dance in a synchronized performance, often referred to as a water ballet, in the 8.5-acre man-made lake. The high-pressure water jets can reach heights of up to 460 feet, creating a captivating visual spectacle. This free public attraction has become a must-see in Las Vegas, captivating tourists and locals alike, offering a stunning and constantly changing display of water, music, and light. 2. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, situated just a short drive from Las Vegas, is a striking natural wonderland in the Mojave Desert. Its defining features are the brilliant red sandstone formations, the Calico Hills, and the Keystone Thrust Fault. Visitors can explore a network of trails for hiking, rock climbing, and enjoy panoramic vistas. The area is home to diverse wildlife, including desert tortoises and bighorn sheep. It provides a peaceful escape from the bustling city, offering opportunities for photography, picnics, and a deeper connection with the desert landscape, making it a popular destination for nature enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. 3. The Hoover Dam Bypass, officially known as the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, is a modern engineering marvel spanning the Colorado River just downstream from the iconic Hoover Dam on the border of Nevada and Arizona. This soaring arch bridge was completed in 2010 and is a vital transportation link, part of U.S. Route 93, connecting Las Vegas and Phoenix. The bridge's deck stands 900 feet above the river, offering spectacular views of the Hoover Dam and the Black Canyon. It's an impressive testament to engineering and a safer, more efficient route that diverts traffic away from the aging Hoover Dam roadways. 4. The Stratosphere Tower, now known as the Esterat, is a prominent Las Vegas landmark and an iconic observation tower on the Las Vegas Strip. Soaring to a height of 1,149 feet, it's the tallest freestanding observation tower in the United States. Besides its breathtaking views of the city, this Strat offers an array of thrilling attractions, including the infamous Big Shot and X-Screen rides, as well as the daring sky jump experience. The tower also features restaurants, bars, and a rotating top-of-the-world restaurant, providing diners with panoramic vistas. It's an adventure and dining destination that epitomizes Las Vegas' thrill-seeking spirit. 5. Mount Charleston, often referred to as the Sky Island of Las Vegas, is a majestic mountain in the Spring Mountains range, located just 35 miles northwest of Las Vegas. Rising to an elevation of 11,918 feet, it stands in stark contrast to the desert landscape of the city. The mountain offers a cooler climate, making it a popular escape from the scorching Las Vegas summers, and even a winter haven for snow enthusiasts. The area boasts hiking trails, camping spots, and picturesque picnic areas. It's a serene wilderness where visitors can enjoy nature, wildlife, and breathtaking vistas, making it a cherished retreat for locals and tourists alike. 6. The Mirage is a renowned Las Vegas resort and casino, celebrated for its iconic tropical oasis theme and the erupting volcano at its entrance. Located on the Las Vegas Strip, it opened in 1989 and boasts a lush atrium filled with palm trees, waterfalls, and a serene dolphin habitat. The Mirage features a vast casino, a variety of restaurants, and a vibrant nightlife scene, with a famous 108 nightclub. Its secret garden and dolphin habitat offer a unique wildlife experience. The Mirage is also well known for its recurring entertainment, including the long-running Cirque du Soleil show The Beatles Love. With its luxurious accommodations and attractions, the Mirage continues to captivate visitors seeking the ultimate Las Vegas experience. 7. The Venetian Hotel in Las Vegas is a lavish and opulent resort located on the iconic Las Vegas Strip. It is renowned for its faithful recreation of Venice's romantic charm, complete with winding canals, gondolas, and stunning Venetian architecture. The resort boasts an extensive casino, elegant suites, and world-class dining options, including celebrity chef restaurants. The Grand Canal shops provide a unique shopping experience along the waterways. The Venetian is also connected to the Palazzo, offering an even larger array of amenities and entertainment, including popular shows like Billets, a musical mashup. It's a destination that transports guests to the heart of Italy's most romantic city within the vibrant Las Vegas atmosphere. 8. Las Vegas offers thrilling helicopter tours that provide a unique perspective of the city's iconic landmarks and the surrounding natural wonders. These tours typically take you on a mesmerizing journey above the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, allowing you to witness the glittering lights and architectural marvels from the sky. In addition to urban tours, helicopter companies also offer scenic flights to the Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam, and Red Rock Canyon, providing breathtaking views of these natural wonders. The exhilarating experience of soaring over the stunning landscapes and the city's dazzling lights makes Las Vegas helicopter tours a memorable and adventurous way to explore the region. 9. New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas is an iconic resort that captures the essence of the Big Apple's energy and architecture on the Las Vegas Strip. Its skyline replicates famous NYC landmarks, including the Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, and Empire State Building. The casino is a bustling hub, and visitors can enjoy Broadway-style shows, the Big Apple roller coaster, and a variety of themed dining options, like the classic pizzerias. The resort provides a vibrant taste of New York City while offering the quintessential Las Vegas experience, making it a favorite destination for travelers seeking the best of both worlds. 6. Allegiant Stadium is a state-of-the-art, multi-purpose venue located in Paradise, Nevada, adjacent to the Las Vegas Strip. It serves as the home stadium for the NFL's Las Vegas Raiders and the NCAA's UNLV Rebels. With a capacity of over 65,000, the stadium is a marvel of modern design, featuring a unique black exterior and a retractable field tray. It's equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a 3.9 million pixel LED video screen, making it a premier location for sporting events and concerts. Allegiant Stadium represents a significant addition to Las Vegas' entertainment landscape and has quickly become an iconic destination for sports and entertainment enthusiasts.